Here's a comprehensive guide on fire alarm systems, including how to change a fire alarm and what to do if there's no battery. Components of a fire alarm system. Control panel. The brain of the system, responsible for monitoring and controlling all devices. 2. Sensors detectors. Detect heat, smoke, or flames triggering the alarm. 3. Alarm devices. Horns, strobes, or speakers that alert occupants of a potential fire. 4th. Power supply. Provides power to the system, often with battery backup. Changing a fire alarm. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Turn off the power. Switch off the power to the fire alarm system at the control panel or circuit breaker. 2. Remove the old alarm. Gently pull the old alarm away from the mounting bracket. 3. Disconnect the wiring. Carefully disconnect the wiring from the old alarm. 4. Install the new alarm. Mount the new alarm to the bracket and connect the wiring. 5. Test the alarm. Turn the power back on and test the alarm to ensure it's working correctly. No battery in fire alarm. Troubleshooting steps. 1. Check the control panel. Verify that the control panel is functioning correctly. 2. Inspect the wiring. Check the wiring for any damage or loose connections. 3. Replace the battery. Install a new battery, ensuring it's the correct type and voltage. 4. Test the system. Test the fire alarm system to ensure it's working correctly. Additional tips. 1. Regular maintenance. Perform regular maintenance checks on the fire alarm system. 2. Test monthly. Test the fire alarm system monthly to ensure it's working correctly. 3. Replace batteries annually. Replace batteries annually or according to the manufacturer's instructions. Safety considerations. 1. Follow manufacturer instructions. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions when working with fire alarm systems. 2. Wear protective gear. Wear protective gear such as gloves and safety glasses when working with electrical systems. 3. Evacuate in case of emergency. In case of an emergency, evacuate the premises immediately and call the fire department. I hope this comprehensive guide helps. Let me know if you have any further questions. 3. Alarm devices. Horns, strobes, or speakers that alert occupants of a potential fire. 4th. Power supply. Provides power to the system, often with battery backup. Changing a fire alarm. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Turn off the power. Switch off the power to the fire alarm system at the